Hi, my name is Marie-Pier and I'm a student at Unsick College. I am studying Youth and Adult Correctional Intervention for 3 years now. In this program, we learn how to help people and how to make proper intervention. We also learn how to communicate and how to handle a crisis. We need to learn some law because we work with them all the time. We are in a legal environment. In this program, we do a lot of learning just by being sit in the class listening to the teacher. But we also have some laboratory with comedians and it is really fun. In my job, when a crisis happens or when we make an intervention, we need to fill some papers. I could have to fill paperwork in English because there are some places where they only speak English, and I don't want it to be full of mistakes. We use very specific terms, so I need to know how to translate them correctly. I need to fill it properly with a good grammar because if there are a lot of mistakes, it won't look professional. First, you need to open your browser, just like that. Then, you need to type the URL virtualwritingtutor.com into the address bar and hit enter. If you type the URL correctly, you will see this page. In the top left corner, you can see the logo of the website. In the top right corner, you will see some icons if you want to share the website. Under the logo, there is the navigation menu. Just there. If you want to have more information about the website, you can click on this. Under the navigation bar, you will see all the things that you can do with your text or your sentences. There. Under it, there is a box where you can write your text or your sentences. Just there. Now I am going to show you how this website can help me with the problem that I mentioned earlier. I may have to fill a report after an incident and it can have mistakes in it. I may have to write a sentence like this. I write my sentence in the box in the middle of the screen, and after that I click on Check Grammar. It will tell you how many words and paragraph you have and the number of mistakes you made. If there was an error, it would show you where it is, what it is, and how to correct it. So, I have 9 words, 1 paragraph, and 0 error or error density. This website will help me make sentences with no grammar mistakes, and I will be able to fill my paperwork correctly. And it will look professional. This is a very good website, and I hope this demonstration will help you and that you will use this website in your life. Thank you and have a nice day.